Now let's read the three-letter word. Ha, a, t. Ha, a, t. Hot, hot. N, a, t. N, a, t. Nut, nut. K, a, t. K, a, t. Cut, cut. Hot, nut, cut. Children, it's your turn. Good job. H, a, g. H, a, g. Hug, hug. B, a, g. B, a, g. Bug, bug. T, a, g. T, a, g. Tug, tug. Hug, bug, tug. Now it's your turn. Good job. S, a, n. S, a, n. Sun, sun. B, a, n. B, a, n. Bun, bun. R, a, n. R, a, n. Run, run. Sun, bun, run. It's your turn. Good job. K, a, b. K, a, b. Cup, cup. S, a, b. S, a, b. Sup, sup. B, a, b. B, a, b. Pop, pop. Cup, sup, pop. It's your turn. Now let's read all the words. Hot, not, hot. Hug, bug, tug. Cup, sup, pop. Let's repeat. Hot, not, cut. Hug, bug, tug. Cup, sup,